Hello and welcome back to my channel. I see that you wanted to join for another adventure in another country. Today we're going to Armenia. I would like to excuse my appearance. I have a weird, I don't know what a kind of allergic reaction in my eye, and it's swollen and it's very itchy. And then I have, I don't know what kind of oozing problem on my face that I try to cover up. I hope I won't explode. So yeah, enough of me ranting about my amazing health. Let's get to the dish today. We're going to Armenia and we're going to make Armenian, I'm not sure if I'm going to butcher the word, probably, but it's called Armenian Eech. If anyone knows how to pronounce it, please let me know. And it's basically a vegetarian dish. Since some of you requested vegetarian dishes, today is the day. And it's bulgur with vegetables, basically, that you can eat with the salad, or if you want to, you can eat it with meat, but I'm not going to do that. I've seen a lot of these dishes served with a traditional tomato, cucumber and pepper and onion salad, which looks quite nice, but I'm going to start with the basic and then leave you to pair it with whatever you may desire. Let's start. So for the eek, let's call it like that, we need 1 cup of bulgur, we need chili powder or chili paste if you can find it, I can't find it, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, pomegranate molasses. Mine are still originally from Iran, they are made in Iran, I bought them there. Olive oil, the famous amazing bottle that I have. 1 bunch of parsley chopped from my garden. 1 tomato chopped. 1 onion chopped, I cried a lot. Half a cup of lemon juice, it's still not squeezed, so I'm not sure how much this is going to be, probably more. Tomato paste, approximately 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. And to serve, to garnish, grape leaves, vine leaves, as they say here. If you can't find them, salad is just fine, but I was thinking that it looks fancier if you have them. If you have these and they're salted, as it states here, please wash them before using them because they're very salty. And then we need also some water, which is not here at the moment. Let's get cooking. So in a frying pan, heat up a nice generous gulp of olive oil. Like so. Should be approximately half a cup. And then we fry the onions until translucent. Now you're going to not hear me talk. Let's try not to mix. Next we add the dry spices. The chili powder we use more or less half a tablespoon. You can also use less if you're not very heat resistant. Then we have a teaspoon, of cayenne pepper. Let's try not to mix the lids. And then we add the tomato paste. 1 or 2 tablespoons, Let's make 2. Now we add the tomatoes. And the molasses. For the molasses, we use 2 tablespoons. So a 1 and A2, and it goes everywhere. Let's try to wash it because it's sacred. I can't buy it. I can't go just to Iran for shopping pomegranates. Mother says I have to buy it online somewhere. But it's not the same. It doesn't have the memory. Well, now it's time for the lemon juice. I have here half a cup. I'm going to measure it. Oh, this is a generous lemon. Thank you for your service. And we need some more. And of course the seeds fall in. So let's try to pour it in. Let's try to pour it in without the seeds falling in. Otherwise we have to fish them out. Well, that went better than expected. So now we leave it to cook for about 5 minutes so that all the aromas are nicely mixed. And then we come back. And I'm back. 5 minutes have passed. Now you have two options. That depends entirely on the type of bulgur you're using. If you have the one that you just add boiling water to it and it just expands by itself without the need of cooking it, you follow the recipe by removing this from the heat, adding in the bulgur, adding the water, and waiting. I have the one that you have to cook or boil, so I'll add it right here. It usually states on the package whether it's the one that you have to boil or not, and the ratio between the bulgur and the water. I'll add the water, and then I have to bring it to a boil because otherwise it won't ever be made. And I'll see you once it's done. So my bulgur is done. It's quite a small type. I've had bigger ones. Well, time to salt it. I try not to salt it too much because I think the vine leaves will do the rest of the job. And then I pepper it. Add in the chopped parsley. Why are there beans? Oh well. Oh yeah, that's my husband who bought snap peas and cut them in. Well, anyways, ignore the beans, please. Add some more parsley. This one is from the other one is store-bought. This is from my own bush. And now we serve it. Well, here's our finished Armenian Eech on our grape leaves or vine leaves. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you might like to try it at home. As usual, the link to the recipe on my blog is in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos, well, subscribe or don't subscribe, I don't know. And I'll see you next time. We're going down under. Well, bye, take care.